What be this? What be this? Jesus. Brother Jesus. Nice. Yes.
My people be like say for Nollywood now, all these things where they sell well for inside Nollywood, because I no come understand why a married man go accept such role. No like saying don't marry and he gets pikin. When my people now don't carry sissy down on so they do one for here. This channel no more get news with they carry come. This with the totori body, this with the totori brain. As then they cook am now so with the carry come cable. I still am about girls in them. So a lot of people don't they drag Nosa Rex. Say why you know they pity him wife? Say which kind role way he accept? Only fully well say him wife go watch this kind movie. Who is Nosa Rex? Nosa Rex na Nigeria popular actor where everybody know Mr. Com. No be small thing. More wetin we go call this one. For me, I no like this kind role at all. And also a lot of people. Some people gone the verse say they no go marry an actor. I go play the rest of the video. Make you drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. If you've been a subscriber, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Gist TV. Do well to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more banging news with the totori body. Now just where they make kuntu smell and now we they drop for this channel. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
What be this? Jesus. Brother Jesus. Nice. Yes.
Handicap.
Hey, what's going on? What? I just let me slowly now. We're doing it slowly because this I never even will not be rubbing it. I just sorry to stop. I'm already inside. What's make a wide like that? I don't understand. I thought you said you're a virgin.
I'm sorry, if it's what I'm thinking, I can't give it to you.
Hey!
I'm a virgin.
You what?
I'm keeping myself for the right one.
You're a virgin?
Yes, I'm keeping myself for the husband. I'm sorry.
I'm supposed to hear that. Continue to do a beg. Continue waiting. Let me be rubbing this small so that I'm fine. Poof everything. I don't see myself inside. It's not what are you from? No, I'm fine for you. What the fuck? Jesus, baby, don't change. Like Chris. Why are you here? You're virgin. You're mad. You're Chris. Come see me now. Come finish up with your mad. So the parents. I don't understand what's going on. I don't know what's the rats. I don't know now. Come finish me now. Stop. You're a virgin. So you're a virgin. I just want to prove this to be a virgin. I'm just rubbing. Between us and that. Don't vex me now. Why is he white? How are you? Why is this fat?
Nobody can stop waiting God design. Me, I'm not the pastor, me, I love the number one. The boy no dead, the title, if you treat me right, it's fine. One for me, sexy girl, the one for me. Right now, me, no got the time to keep no dirty company. Only positivity, no bad energy. I live my life the way I want, the whole world.